Alright guys, so we got a tick in my engine. It doesn't sound very good. Maybe, I'm not exactly sure what it might be. I just changed the oil in it. Like literally like 20 minutes ago, I changed the oil. But I'll go ahead and start it up here, and I'll pop the hood too and rev it a little bit so you guys can hear it. It's right there. It also idles a little funny. The check engine light's on, but I don't want to drive it all the way to AutoZone or O'Reilly's to get a diagnostics done on it because I don't know how well it'll drive. But it idles a little funny. It'll drop from where it's idling right now to the little tick mark right under it. Let me open up the hood. I'll give it a rev. But it's not really... It sounds like an idling problem. Sorry about the camera angle. It's not like a constant tick, it's like a pattern to it. But it's coming from in here. Don't know if I take that out to something loose, but I'll rev it up a tiny bit. I don't want to rev it up too much. I'll let you guys hear it. See here. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good angle on it. That's as good as I'm gonna get. Alright, hopefully you heard that pretty well. I was idling, or I was revving it up to 2,000 to 2,500 RPM, so I don't know if that'll help you guys any. It is a 3.0 V6 Duratec, and it's a 2005. I've got, I forget how many miles I've got on here. I've got like 122,234 miles. So I've been using premium gas in it because before this happened, it was actually running a lot better on premium. So I don't know if me using premium might have fucked it up. I really hope not. I just added a new intake because my other intake was freaking smashed. It was all fucked up, so I just got an aftermarket intake. But I haven't been running it hard or anything. It also has a pretty good oil, or it consumes oil really good, or really fast, so I don't know if there might be a problem with that too, but if somebody can, help me out, that'd be freaking awesome.